What you doing?
Just sorting a hole in the bar. Mind that socket I had here? Well, mine removed it, so I'm patching it. A wee bit of wood in the back. 4 screws holding that bit of wood in, solid. It's going nowhere. And then the offcut from the new switch just fits in there, bonnet. And then just one wee screw in here. She'll be grand. Just like that.
Just like that.
Just like that. Now I'm going to put gauze over it so we can plaster it. And hopefully it won't crack. So just put a bit on there. You can use your knife to cut it, or just use a bit of, what you call it? A pair of shears. And then another bit here. There, that's bonny covered. Yeah, just get a good rub on. That's good, it's ready to rock. So next is plaster. Now, as if by magic, I have some plaster here. So just a good dot of plaster onto your scraper doofer, just like that. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll use this big end and just go over the head of it, and that's the plastering done. So I've plastered it, but I'll need to give it another wee coat tomorrow. I always get 2 coats, and I use this gauze. You could use tape and paper, but it's for internal corners, and it's just too thick and it won't sit right. So if you're doing this, use the gauze, okay? Right, here's our patch. I gave it a second coat last night, so it's fine and dry. This is just a round sanding disc for a drill. Just some 120 paper, sandpaper. Stick it in here nice and flat, and then just work your way around it. Not too hard. Just get a nice wee light coat and give it a feel. There's a wee lippy just here. That's pretty good. Something there. Now, that's it. Smoother than a baby's dope. Perfect. Now, all you need to do, lick a paint, job done.